Hello guys, my name is Zakil and welcome to BTech Career Guide. All of you might be familiar with that Genpact have conducted the placement test today. Which is for QA tester. I have released this video 1 month ago and they have conducted the test today. So as I previously mentioned in the video that the salaries would be around 5 to 6 LPA and the location is Hyderabad. So let us dive into the number of rounds they have conducted and what are the questions they have asked in the programming round. So company, you all know that Genpact. Okay, so as a previous job notification video has been released 1 month ago and test was conducted today. So coming to the number of rounds, there are 2 rounds, which is MCQs as well as programming round. So I can't show the MCQs questions because I didn't get any of them, but I received one which is a backtracking question, and there are few programming and aptitude questions they have asked. They are a bit easy to solve and some are critical too. So coming to the programming round, so they have asked 3 programming questions, but I have received only 2 questions. So in this video I will be showing you what are the 2 questions asked, and I will be showing you the solution for that programming also. So coming to the first question, so here is the first question. So we can have a look. So you are given an array of n numbers. Your task is to find the greatest k-digit number that can be found from each number. To achieve this, you can ignore few similar digits of the number. If a number a1 has less than k digits, you should consider it as a. So here it is a program. So they are asking write a program that takes an array of n numbers and integer k as input and return a list of greatest k digits formed from each element in the array. So they are saying that, for example, if there is a number called 432, so we need to consider the number of greater number in that number. So for example, if the user inputs the 2 or is, so for example, if the user input 2, we need to find the 2 highest numbers from the number. For example, I have told that 432. If the user enters find the 2 greatest numbers from 432, we need to find 34 is the greatest number. So like the way we need to do this question. So here is the input format. The first line of the input consists of n and k, where n is the number of elements in the list and k is the k digit greater than the needs to be printed. The second line of the input consists of n integers separated by a single white space. Okay, and output should be a single line of input that contains n space separate integers, which are the k digits greater than number that can be found by using existing array elements. So here you can see that the sample input is 5, so they are entering the 5 elements and the k value is 2, which means that for every number we need to find the 2 largest numbers, 2 largest digits from the number. So here you see that 432, so the 2 largest digits are 43. So in here 567, the 2 largest numbers are 67. So coming to the 890, the 2 largest numbers are 89. So coming to the 657, the 2 largest number are 67. So coming to the 34, so it is a 2-digit number. So in case if it is equal to the number of digits they are asking, we need to print that. So that's it. Okay, so coming to the another sample input. So they are asking they are inputting 5 inputs and they are asking find the one largest digit from the numbers. So first 277, so from these 3, 7 is the largest number, so you need to print 7, and from 278, so 8 is the largest digit, so 8. So from 378, 8 is the largest digit, 8. So from 388, so 8 is the largest digit, so we need to print 8, and here 6, and it is a single one, we need to print 6. So I think this is a simple program. We need to just iterate over we can do the sorting and then we can print the values as it is. So coming to the solution, so I have written this code in Python, so you can have a look at this. So it's just a simple program. So as they ask you to take k and n values, just mapped with the inputs and list, then taken the numbers into the list. For example, they have entered if n value is n, so then we need to take 5 integers into the list of numbers. Then we need to find the largest numbers, right? So we need to send to a passing to a function, then converting it to a string. So then I'm sorting the numbers into the reverse. Then here, so as you can see that the idea of to find every, for example, if the user input 1, so I have to find only the 1 largest digits from the number, right? So this is how it is. So is to n, which after the sorting they will be taking the largest number. So like this we need to do, and we need to join to return the result, then it will be printing the result. That's it. This is a simple program that I have written for the code, and that's it. That's a simple thing. So coming to the second program, so second program is little tricky, but it can be doable. So coming to the second question, so develop a session based authentication system where each user session generates a new token with a specific time to live. So just understand, specific time to live is the variable we need to pass to the function. The TTL expression is calculated as the current time plus the time to live seconds. So if the token is renewed, the TTL is extended to the time to live seconds after the time of the interval, time of the renewal. So these are the this is the main logic they are asking. So there are three type of queries in the system: generate, renew, and count. So when it is a generate, creates a new token with the given token ID and current time. When it is renew, renews an unexpired token with the given token ID and current time. If there is no unexpired token, it is the specific token ID, the request is ignored. So then count returns the number of unexpired tokens at the given current time. So this is a simple question, and here is the predefined code of the Python. This predefined. So coming to the solution, here is the solution. You can say that we need to pass the time to live as the queries, time to live and queries into the function. So as they have mentioned in the default code of the Python. So then for queries in queries, we need to take queries. Then we need to split that queries, because the input is given in such a way that generate some string, so renew some string, count some string. So we need to split that generate, renew, and count. So based on that, we need to find the solution. So here is the simple logic. So as the previous here they are mistaking that the TTL expiration is calculated as the current time plus the time to live seconds. So TTL expiration is nothing but the current time plus the time to live seconds. So if the token is renewed, the TTL is extended to the time to live seconds after the time of renewal. So same logic has been implemented here. So initially we will be taking each and every split of the string. So as is split here, so we will be taking into the each and every variable. So then time expired is equal current time plus time to live, as they have mentioned. So that we have taken here. So in case if it is a renew, so we are getting the token ID, then current time. So in case if it is unexpired and token expired of token ID greater than equal current time, so we are taking the time expired, so which is will be taken into the dictionaries as well as the list, and at last we will be returning the result. So that's it. This is also a simple program I have. So at last it will be a written result. So this is a simple program. Okay, so that are the two programs I would like to show in this video, and there is one more question, but I didn't get that question. So these are the two questions. So I didn't get me in that sense, I didn't receive the question from the candidates. Okay. Don't think that I couldn't solve the question. Okay, and that's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and for latest update do